How to use Perp app. This app starts to climb charts in the App Store. It's quite interesting app, and the idea of it is that you can just find new friends and add friends, discover new cultures, meet new people, and start your own adventure. Just swipe right to send a friend request, get notified when they accept your request, and you two can now chat and see each other's socials. You can earn gems, um, share Perp with your friends, check in every day, make new friends on Perp, and then you will just earn some gems. Anyhow, let's just jump into it. So here's how it looks like. And then this is basically like Tinder, but mostly for friends. You can just like swipe right if you like someone. So that's basically how you add a friend request. In this app, it's a bit confusing. Like a lot of people can't figure it out because yeah, I agree that the design is a bit not final yet. So swipe right and then you can see okay emoji. Then you kind of send a friend request. Swipe left and then you kind of send say no request. Like so send and that's basically the idea. And then you need gems to swipe. So here you can just get if you want you need to upgrade. Also you can log in every day and then just collect some gems. Also you can just feel free to use my link to here is my link on Perp Social, and then you can just use it if you don't have this app. And then what happens, you have your friends here available. If you swipe on someone and someone swipes on you, then basically you become friends. Also, if you're too lazy to swipe a lot, you can just use this quick add, which is basically bulk add friends feature in Perp app, where you can just send 100 requests for 800 gems or 400 requests for 1500 gems or something like that. It's just quite easy to do that. And then you can just send it there. Also, in the bottom right, you can just boost your profile and you will be the first in the swipe list for 2 hours. Swiping right and you won't cost any gems. So you can, like, from 2 hours to 6 hours, you can just boost your profile and then you will receive a lot of friend requests. You will see your friend requests here in the tab, and then you can, if you want, you can just accept them from here. So you can just accept if you like, or you can just decline them like that. So that's what it is. And then if you become friends with someone, then you can just chat here in this app. When you're chatting in this app already, you can tap on add icon at the top right to see socials. It can be Snapchat, Instagram. Also, if you don't like someone, you can unfriend, report, or block. But be careful here. Actually, if you block someone in the Perp app, it's not possible to unblock at this moment. I know it sounds weird, but it's like there are some weird things in this app. It's not finished, so just be careful when you are blocking someone in this app. Then there is kind of a new feature which is like a social lounge, where you can just go in the group chat and chat with other people and then just try to add. So this is like a group chat feature as well as like chat room which you can enter. Then you can also see all list of your friends with who you can chat here. And that's basically what it is. And then also you see your chats. And again, you need gems. So to swipe a lot, you need like gems. 100 gems starts from $1. There are like also 1,000 gems. It starts from $6, and 2,500 starts from 11. You can again collect gems by just logging in. You can invite in friends and all of that. If you want to upgrade, you will need to this is like Perp Plus subscription. You can get 1,000 free gems weekly, also premium badge, swipe back for free. Perp Plus users make streaks more friends. There's 1 month $15, 3 months $22, 1 week $8. So just decide. Yeah, if you want just to try out like for 1 month, just like $15. That's about the idea of it. And then yeah, you see notifications if someone adds you as a friend and all of that. And also to change your preferences, like who do you want to meet as a friend, boys or girls, you can just go and tap edit, and from here select your name, like this is your info, and then you can just change your search preferences and then decide who you want to meet, boys, girls, all, and just who lives in your country or who lives worldwide, and then you can just change the age range and save changes. It's also a bit weird feature that it's hidden here. Not a lot of people can find it actually, these search preferences, but there you have it. You also have settings in top right where you can browse around. Contact support button doesn't work for me, so just be careful. If there's some issue, you won't be able to resolve it. Then you can also delete your account. You can go and write why you want to delete your account. You can preview your account. You can add some media, some other photos, emojis. That's that. So yeah, to be honest, like there are quite a few bugs in this app, and some things don't work. But nevertheless, it climbs in the top charts in the App Store. So yeah, it's getting more and more popularity and traction. I'm not sure though if it's available on Android. So if it's on Google Play Store, I think it's not yet available on Android. So that's maybe it's already available. I'm just not sure. I'm using iOS. So that's what it is basically. That's the app. What else? You can just just chat with people. Mostly these are US people here. Like this app is not yet that international. Not that many countries are here, and mostly these are like teenagers. So this is where this app is going viral, and also like getting some traction on TikTok. And yeah, so that's what it is. So give it a try. If you, for example, if you want to just to use an app just to find friends, not just only dating, there are apps like Wiz, Burp. These are like top apps in this category. And yeah, so that's what it is. Of course, or maybe you just tired of Tinder and want to try something new. So that can also be a good idea to try out this app.